You want to tell everyone what we're unboxing?
We are unboxing a really cool drone. We're unboxing the Mavic Pro DJI. So let's see what we find. Okay. Oh, right there.
Where?
You're like, eh.
What's this? This is the drone.
It's a tiny little box.
That's
actually really cool.
Small.
That's really neat.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. You want to take that out or you want to take everything out first?
I guess take everything out first.
So that's a drone. Oh, that's easy because we got a packet, so we have the whole combo, so we got extra stuff in there.
Okay.
And that's a flying combo. Cool. I'm gonna want this box out, okay? Alright, let's open up the drone first, I guess, or should we open up the other things first?
The drone first.
Okay. I like we should build anticipation to the drone.
I want to get to the drone already.
This thing's really small.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be really little.
Oh, whoa.
Wow, it is really little.
That is tiny. That's awesome.
So cool.
That camera's
That's
tiny.
the camera.
It's kind of crazy. Can I see it?
Yeah. Here.
Oh, wow. So that's a sonar, and that's the extra cameras it has, I think. Yeah, there's the extra little cameras. And the sonar. It's cool. So it's supposed to be like this, and then you can unfold the other two. You're supposed to just pull them down.
Oh,
Yeah.
that way. Okay.
And that's it. That is really cool.
This is the controller. This is really small.
It's tiny. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this one. Oh, they did send us a cover, so that's kind of neat. Alright, you want to open up the bottom?
It looks like a video game controller.
It's neat.
Open up the bottom?
Yeah, let's see. So these are the cool little antennas it comes with. We can open them up. So this bottom part is where the phone's supposed to go.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Will it fit the note?
Let's see. Oh, see, and it does come with the...
Oh, it looks big enough.
Here we go. This is the one, right? That's cool. Okay. And now we can put this one here. Your dragon's right here.
Yeah, he's over there. I think he's chasing a cat.
Okay. That's really neat.
That's actually really easy to hold, even for me.
It's actually pretty small compared to some of the other big controllers they have.
Yeah.
So it does come with, it seems like it comes with the Apple Lightning port. It comes with a USB-C and it comes with a micro USB. Oh, here's like some cool stuff.
Oh, okay, this is the extra battery charger, right?
Yeah, that's a 4-pack battery charger. So you can charge all 4 batteries at the same time.
Okay.
You want to open it or you want me to open it?
Open. Well, you open it.
Alright, let's see. Oh, there we go. I have an obsession with opening things right.
You would need to see my fan mail videos.
I tried to open it as right as possible. Alright, that's awesome. So that's so we can charge all 4 batteries. Well, all 3 batteries plus the extra pack all at once.
And then, oh, the car charger.
Oh, the car charger. That's kind of cool.
Which
I wonder if we're
I don't
going to
think
use.
we need to. Well, maybe if we go out of town somewhere.
Maybe, that's true. Yeah, I don't think we need to
I don't
open it
think
right
we
now.
open up.
What are these little boxes here? Oh, the propellers.
Oh, there's something.
Yeah, they're extra propellers. That's cool. In case we need some. You know, they do break off every so often. And which is neat with these, you don't actually have to clip on like the other drones. You just kind of leave it like that and it opens up on its own once it starts spinning.
Extra battery.
Cool. Can I see the batteries? That's really neat. So we got 3 batteries with this drone, right? Because we got one that comes with the drone and then 2 extra ones. Plus the extra battery pack, which is what you're holding on your hand right now. Supposedly from what I had read, it's so that you can charge on the go kind of thing. Batteries come really nicely packed. Oh, well, they do come out very nicely packed. Yeah, it's a really cool case.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's so small.
It's actually well padded too. Really nice, actually.
Actually, just like it's gonna fit in there tight.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. I'll hold this. So there's space for extra batteries, everything.
Pocket.
That's cool. I actually really like that little bag. Yes, I heard.
Yeah, it's like.
So you just pull it up. Cool. Alright. You excited?
Yes. So I just
Oh,
put the on
so if you
top
press on it, it tells you what the battery life is on it.
Okay.
So on the side you have your Wi-Fi and your remote controller button, and as well as your memory card right here, and it comes with a 16 gig one already. A 10 16 gig. So it's really nice. Okay, so to charge it, you take this off and you just grab your micro USB cable and you just put it in there, and then the charging thing already comes with a USB on the side, so you can charge it.
Okay.